Let's explore how to use Axios in React applications. We will focus on making API calls with Axios instead of the built-in Fetch API. Axios is a modern HTTP client that can greatly enhance your React applications. Axios is a promise-based HTTP client library for JavaScript. It simplifies the process of making API requests within your React applications. Its promise-based approach helps manage asynchronous operations more efficiently. Before you can begin using Axios, you need to install it into your project. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the command npm install Axios. This command adds Axios to your project's dependencies, allowing you to import and use it in your components. To start using Axios in your React component, you need to import it. Add the following line at the top of your file: import Axios from Axios. This line imports the Axios library, making its functions available for you to use in your component. Here's how to make a GET request using Axios. First, define an asynchronous function called fetchData. Inside this function, use a try/catch block for error handling. Within the try block, await the result of Axios.get and pass the API endpoint as a string, for example, https://a.example.com/users:. Store the response in a variable named response. Finally, log response.data to the console to see the fetched data. If there is an error, log the error to the console in the catch block. To send data to an API using a POST request, create an asynchronous function called createUser that accepts user data as an argument. Use a try/catch block for error handling. In the try block, await the result of Axios.post, passing the API endpoint, such as https://a.example.com/users:, and the user data as arguments. Store the response in a variable named response. Log response.data to the console to view the server's response. If an error occurs, log it to the console in the catch block. Here's how you can use Axios within the useEffect hook in a React component. First, call the useEffect hook with an empty dependency array to run the effect only once when the component mounts. Define an asynchronous function called fetchUsers. Inside this function, use a try/catch block for error handling. Within the try block, await the result of Axios get to fetch data from an API endpoint like /API/users. Set the user's state with the data from response.data. In case of an error, set the error state with the error.message. Finally, call the fetchUsers function inside the useEffect hook. Let's compare Axios with the native Fetch API. Axios offers automatic JSON parsing, request and response interceptors, and built-in error handling. Fetch, being browser native, requires manual JSON parsing and offers limited error handling capabilities. While Fetch is readily available in browsers, Axios provides additional features that simplify API interactions. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.